is Lorna B. Salagubang. Today, I'll be discussing the basic form and development of the human body. The human body is a complex and remarkable structure made up of trillions of cells organized into tissues, organs, and systems that work together to maintain life and health. Basic form of the human body. The human body is composed of several levels of organizations, starting with cells, the smallest units of life. Cells grouped together to form tissues, such as muscles, nerves, and epithelial tissues. These tissues then combine to form organs, like the heart, lungs, and brain, each with specific functions. Organs work together within systems such as the circulatory, respiratory, and nervous systems to maintain the body's overall functions. Development of the human body. The development of the human body begins the conception, when a sperm fertilizes an egg, forming a zygote. The zygote undergoes rapid cell division and eventually forms a blastocyst, which implant the uterine wall. From this point, the process of embryogenesis begins, where the basic structure of the body is formed through the development of three primary germ layers: the ectoderm, mesoderm, and the endoderm. These layers differentiate into all the tissues and organs of the body. By the end of the embryonic period, around the 8th week of gestation, the basic form of the human body is established. Though it is still in a very rudimentary stage. From these points, the fetal periods begins, characterized by growth and the further development of the human body systems. By birth, a fully formed baby has developed with all the major organs and systems in place. Do they continue to grow and mature after birth? In summary, the human body's development is a highly coordinated process that begins with a single cells and results in a complex organism composed of many specialized cells, tissues, organs, and systems. The intricate development is what allows us to grow, function, and interact with the world around us. Thank you for your attention.